length less than or less than 5. Okay, less than 5. Or name dot length greater than 5. Name dot length greater than 5. Got the point, guys? Super boss. Errors dot list dot add. Okay. Now tell me next one. Person is person name. Person name must contain minimum of 5 characters and maximum of 10 characters. This is the another message, guys. Okay, I think you're typing mistake now, boss. 10. Maximum of 10 characters. Okay, this is what rule? What rule? Min length, comma, max length rule. LENGTH. Min length, comma, max length rule, guys. This is done, boss. Okay, now listen carefully. This is done. Perfectly done. Next one, required rule on name. Person name. Required min length and max length rule on, okay, name. Line number 31, what's the problem? Name dot length less than 5 or name dot length greater than 10. Right now, boss, Pratik, you have to write in a reverse logic, na? If it is not matching, then we should give the error. Error condition I am writing. Okay, that's perfect, guys. Next one, person age is required, guys. If T is double equal to null or T is equals empty string or T is dot length double equal to 0. T is dot length double equal to 0. What the point, guys? T is dot length double equal to 0. Here, what's the message I should write? Okay. It is TAs only, Babu, because it is there as a string. It is there as a string. Please concentrate. Okay, person age is required. Because on numeric value, we cannot find out length, na, my dear. Okay. If it is typed, guys, if it is typed, if it is there, required rule on age, guys. Here, what is there? Required rule on age. Super. Here is what? Required rule on age. Required rule on age. Tell me next one. What is there? Right. Tell me here. Here I am taking min value, max value, secondary. First of all, you should check. If it is typed, we should check whether it is typed as numeric value or not. If it is typed, we should check whether it is typed as numeric value or not. Int age is equal to 0. Paste. Age is equal to integer dot % of th. But I will try catch block. I'm trying to convert, guys. I'm trying to convert into numeric value. Okay, in that process, if number format exception comes, come on. Okay, I'm expecting in the form of a float value, take farce float. I don't mind. Suppose if they want planning to give as a float value, take farce float. 0f float dot parse float. Float dot parse float. Cool, guys. Super guys. Now tell me if any exception comes, guys. Errors dot a error list dot add person is must be numeric value. Person is must be numeric value. Got the point, my dear? What is there? Person is must be numeric value, guys. Super cool. After that, what next? Right. Okay. Next one is what? If age is a numeric value, perfect numeric value. This is what rule, guys? What rule? Age must be numeric value. Age must be numeric value rule, guys. Okay. After that, what is the next story, guys? Okay. Check the age range rule, guys. If age less than 0 or age greater than 100, age greater than 100. Okay. Age range rule. Age range rule, guys. A less than 0 and age greater than 100. Okay, boss. Tell me here, errors dot list. Add person age must be there. Must be there in the range of 1 through 100. In the range of 1 through 100. I'm seriously writing all these messages here or not, guys? Super. 1 through 100. Age must be numeric value. Must be there in the range of 1 through 100. Okay, guys. Tell me, right? Okay. Now display form validation error messages. Display form validation error messages. 1 through 100 means including 1, including 100. Between means excluding 1 and excluding 100. Through 100 means including 1, including 100. Got the point, guys? Understood the statement nicely. Okay, boss. Tell me after that, what is the next story? Okay. If errors list dot size. Errors list dot size. Okay. Greater than or equal to greater than 0. If any elements are there, if messages are there, come on. Now I am taking what? Enhanced for loop. For what is that? String MSC colon errors list. String MSC colon errors list, guys. Got the point, guys? Sys out MSC. Not sys out, guys. Sys out means you will get this one only. pw.println. What is that? pw.println. Okay, let me take some red color messages. Li list item bold, list item bold, MSG, close list item, close bold, close list item, close bold, guys. Are you comfortable, guys? String message colon errors list. pw.println list item bold message. End of the list item, end of the bold tag. Yes, there is my end of for loop, guys. Here is my what? But one interesting thing, guys. Interesting thing. Okay, written semicolon. HTML is not a strictly typed order. They can be opened in any order. They can be closed in any order. They can be opened in any order and they can be closed in any order. Getting my point, guys? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Remaining everything you can do. Okay, last one line you are not getting. Harpreet Singh, this is called enhanced for loop. Do you know this? Do you know this? It is going through what? List collection, each iteration getting what? One string message we are displaying. Sir, why are you putting return statement without value, sir? If you don't know for each loop, I am helpless, Ra Babu. Core Java enhanced for loop, Ra Babu. Right. Why are you taking return statement without value? When validation error messages are there, if control is going further and executing business logic, it's meaningless, na? It's really meaningless, na? So I have to stop the execution of the application. Suppose if I write system.exit 0, it will terminate the server. Do you want to terminate the server or you don't want to go further lines of code in the servlet? You don't want to kill the server. I just want to break the execution here. Okay, do you think break will work here? No. So how to, but what is the return type of the method? Void. Though return type of the method is void, I would like to break the execution, right now, boss? Though the return type of the method is void, but I would like to break the execution. Understanding my statement, guys? That's why I'm saying return without value. Okay, if form validation errors are there, validation errors are raised. If form validation errors are raised, getting my point, guys? If form validation errors are raised, if form validation errors are raised, okay. This written without value returns the control back to caller. Back to caller without executing further business logic. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Without executing further logic. Indirectly terminates the execution. Indirectly, okay, stops the execution. Stops the execution in servlet component.